Right now in 2026, students in India are making 1 lakh per month using AI. Not influencers, not engineers, not startup founders. No coding, no degree dependency, no office job. This is Build with Nairy and welcome to day 1 of this money making series. In this video, I will not motivate you. I will not talk about mindset. I will show you exactly what they do, which tool they use, and how you can start step by step. If you want practical information, keep watching. Let's start with the core idea because everything depends on this. Students are not making money with AI, they are selling outcomes using AI tools. AI is just doing the work faster. There are 3 proven ways students are making 1 lakh per month. I'll explain each one with what exactly they sell, which tools they use, where they find clients, and how the money adds up. This is the most common and fastest method. Students offer services where AI does 70 to 80% of the work. Here are real services students sell: YouTube script writing, Instagram reel script and captions, resume and LinkedIn profile optimization, email writing for businesses, website copy like about pages and landing pages, simple social media content calendars. Now let me show you exact tools. For writing and ideas, students use ChatGPT and Claude AI. For resumes, they use resume.io. For social media captions, they use ChatGPT and copy.ai. For basic design, they use Canva. Students combine these tools and sell the final output as a service. Now the important question, where do they find clients? Here are the exact platforms students use: Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn through cold DMs, Instagram DMs, Twitter. Example pricing: 3,000 rupees per YouTube script, 5,000 rupees per LinkedIn profile, 10,000 rupees per content package. Just 10 clients paying 10,000 equal 1 lakh per month. This is not theory. This is happening every day. Now let's move to the second method, which is slightly slower but scales better. Some students don't want clients. They use AI to create content at scale, mostly faceless content. Platforms they use include YouTube, Instagram, Reels, and blogs. AI helps with video scripts, hooks, titles, and descriptions. Exact tools used are ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory or InVideo for faceless videos, CapCut for editing, and Canva for thumbnails. Here's how money is made. First, build a niche page like finance, AI, motivation, facts, or education. Second, post consistently using AI-generated scripts. Third, monetize using affiliate links, brand deals, and digital products. For example, a finance reel page grows to 1 lakh followers. Brands pay 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per promotion. Some students earn more, but 1 lakh per month is realistic. This takes time, but once it works, income becomes stable. Now let's talk about the most underrated and highest paying method. This is where students make money quietly. Businesses waste time on repetitive work. Students automate it using AI. Common tasks automated include customer replies, email follow-ups, appointment scheduling, data sorting, and late responses. Tools students use include Zapier, Make.com, ChatGPT, and Google Sheets. No coding required. For example, a students automate WhatsApp replies for a small business. The business pays 15,000 rupees per month. 5 businesses paying 15,000 rupees equals 75,000 rupees. Add one more and it becomes 90,000 rupees to 1 lakh. Clients are found via LinkedIn, cold emails, local businesses, and Instagram DMs. Businesses don't care about your age, they care about saving time. Now listen carefully. If you are starting from zero, do this. In the first week, choose one method, not all 3. Learn one tool deeply like ChatGPT, Canva, or Zapier. In the second week, practice by creating samples, fake brand samples, demo resumes, sample scripts. Third week, create profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Send daily messages. A simple message work like I help businesses do X using AI. Would you like to see a sample? In the fourth week, close your first client. Charge low at first, deliver well, increase your price. That's it. No shortcuts, no fake promises. Now, how long does it take? Here's the honest answer. 20,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees take 1 to 2 months. 1 lakh per month takes 3 to 6 months for most students. Some do it faster, some slower, but it is repeatable. Now, common mistakes to avoid: learning too many tools at once, watching videos without taking action, waiting to feel ready, and not reaching out to people. AI rewards speed, not perfection. If you watch this till the end, you now know exactly how students are making money with AI in 2026. No motivation, no hype, just methods. This channel will focus on practical money making skills step by step. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel because in 2026 information is free but execution is rare, and that's where the money is. Vivek Nairy signing off.